Whoa, whoa, whoa! So now we have some fucking good news for party freakers and DJs. Recently, we got to know few party which happened in this pandemic, or you can say in the period of lockdown. While nightclubs have been closed all over the globe as part of its virus restrictions, a club in Germany held the country's first drive-in social distancing event on May 9, 2020. Almost 250 cars were parked near the DJ stage, which were limited to 2 people in each car. Despite of all the restrictions on going out, this was a crazy idea for a party. And goes without saying that people had a lot of fun which they were missing and wanted this badly. So guys, definitely a drive-in rave party can be a huge hit. And we have one more good news coming from Germany itself about a nightclub event with social distancing rules being a primary move, a get-together on Thursday, May 21st, 2020. You had the lineup highlighted Steve Stakes, Kyle Lorenz, and Thorsten Karger. And the limit for open scene setup was for 100 tickets, which was priced for 70 euros including some cover charges. As a part of social distancing, all the participants were required to wear well, and they were even giving it on the entryway. Even bars were set apart to show safe separating with plexiglass shields to ensure staff who were wearing covers as per rules. And I hope to see more of these good news from all over the world. My name is Vinay and I wish you and your loved one for your better health. Stay safe and blessed. See you in the next video.